This is crazy. Never seen anything like this. 610 Market Street, now Lake.
Well, this appears to be either the worst or one of the worst floods Houston has ever had. We are measuring it not in inches, but in feet. As you probably have seen, there are countless water rescues. Our first and foremost focus at this particular time is saving lives.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
How are you? We're so glad you're okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Are you guys all one family?
I know people are trying to reach 911, may not be getting a response. I understand that. The system, there are a lot of people who are calling, but let me ask, let's give preference to the life-threatening